I do not see empowerment in the disappearance of problems. The writer says that she does not see the empowerment in the disappearance means ending up of the problems, but in the strength and ability to deal with them. She feels empowerment in building up the strength and ability to deal with the problems. As you reach the end of a campaign and achieve something, the writer says that when we reach to the end of a campaign and when we achieve something in the seeds here means in the beginning of that achievement lie the problems of the future. There are some problems with the achievement, maybe even of the present. That problem may be for future, or that may be even of the present time. Democracy primarily needs common sense, and the writer says that democracy primarily means mainly needs common sense. Ordinary Indians have it in plenty. Ordinary means common Indians or common people of India have the common sense in plenty, provided the condition is we perceive it. The condition is that we see the common sense in common people. Give it respect. If we give respect, respectability and credence. Respectability means the quality to respect, and credence means to have faith in common people. These conditions are necessary for democracy. We need to nurture a social ethos where religion means compassion. The writer says that we need to nurture, we need to bring up, or we need to uh, make a society that has social ethos. Ethos means here means norms, social norms, uh, or identity of a society where religion means compassion. Where religion means compassion. Compassion means having sympathy with others, kindness and acceptance of another's faith. And the writer says that in our society, in India, we need to nurture, we need to bring up, we need to foster a social norm where religion means having sympathy with others, kindness, and acceptance of another's faith, where plurality is respected. Plurality means having different things, uh, having the variety, uh, where plurality is respected, diversity is respected, and success brings humility means politeness, where success brings politeness and not arrogance, uh, appreciation and not rejection, where the success brings appreciation, appreciating to others, and not rejection, not rejecting to others. So the writer in these lines says that we need to make such a society where people are uh, behaved kindly, with compassion, and with an acceptance, where different types of people having diversity, and they are respected, and where success brings politeness, not arrogance or arrogant behavior, appreciation and not rejection, where people appreciate to others and not rejecting to others. If the national movement was one massive act of concerted public action, it cannot peter out into a memory of recalled glory. If the national movement was one massive means big, or vast act of concerted means joint public action. If the national movement, freedom movement was a big act of joint public action, it cannot peter out, it cannot end into a memory of recalled glory. Recalled glory means past glory. National movement of getting freedom uh, cannot be made only a memory of the past glory. It was a big effort, it was a big act of joint public action. What a million small and big efforts have shown in post independence India is that this continues to exist. What a million. Many. What a million means many small and big efforts have shown in post independence India is that it continues to exist. Still, we have in our memory the vast act of public action in the form of national movement. After so many acts or small and big efforts, after getting independence in India, the freedom movement still continues to exist in our memory. Unfortunately, it is no longer central to public political concern. Unfortunately, it is no longer central. Now it is not a central or main concern now for the public uh, and political concern. Politics has narrowed to its most limited definition and allowed the justification for inaction. Politics has been narrowed, now it has become narrow. Politics has now become narrow to its most limited definition. It has now narrowed to its most limited definition and allowed the justification or justfulness for inaction. Inaction means passivity. Now politics has narrowed to its most limited definition and it has allowed the justification for inaction means passivity. In a democracy, politics is everybody's business. In a democracy, politics is everybody's business means act or work. Our political lives only begin with the casting of the vote. Our political lives begin with a casting of the vote. The damning of politics. Damning means to criticize the politics and making it a bad word in our lexicon. Making it a bad word in our lexicon. Lexicon means vocabulary or dictionary. Criticizing politics has given us the luxury, it has given us the comfort of cynicism. Cynicism means having suspicion, having doubt in politics and in action. It has given us the opportunity for inaction. For too long we have only blamed others. For too long we have only blamed others. We cannot rely on one leader. We cannot rely. Rely means we cannot faith. We cannot have faith on one leader ensconced in an artificial halo of electric lights to bring about change. Ensconced means dependent in an artificial halo. Halo means radiant light of electric light. We cannot believe only on one leader. We cannot be dependent on an artificial radiant light to bring about change. Empowerment is the recognition of our collective political responsibility. Empowerment is the recognition, it is the identity of our collective political responsibility. We need to use the power we have with intelligence and courage. We need to use the power that we have. We need to use that power with intelligence and courage. So, in these lines, the writer says that In democracy, we have uh, we have the luxury of criticizing others. Till now, we have criticized and blamed others, but now we cannot uh, rely, we cannot trust on one leader, we cannot be dependent on an artificial light to bring about change. The change should be in ourselves, the change should begin from ourselves. Empowerment is the recognition, it is the identity of our collective political responsibility. We need to use that empowerment that we have in us with intelligence and courage. So, we are to use the empowerment that is in us. We are to use that empowerment or power with intelligence and courage.